Hello everybody, today we going to be opening some Pokemon. Pikachu! And let's open some Pokemon! Well, that was always Sonic that was in the box. And oh, I not already opened it, so anyways, let's do this. Okay, so this pack comes with, here it is, the thingy, then other side has this, and then here's the XerneasEX. 140 damage, right here 60 damage. Anyways, we have him, and I'm gonna open the Venusaur pack. Let's do this. Wait, just wait a minute. Okay, we're back. We have this Pokemon I don't know, and then this guy, this Weedle, the buh, and he's cool. Wait, not him. Skitty. Okay, then we got him. Oh, creepy Mr. Mime. Mr. Mime's creepy. Never picked him as a Pokemon. So that's one pack. Let's do kangaroo person. These packs are maybe they're split. Okay, I'm back. We have this, that. Got Pidgeotto. You don't want to look at this, right? Weird. Rosella. And then these three. And then we have this pack. What? Okay, and I'm back. We have him. Trainer. Him. And then we're going to open up some Hershey's. This one. But is there any more packs that I didn't open? Nope. No. Wait. Yep. Still one. Okay.